Are you seeking to find a new way to generate money without having to pay for anything? Did you know that there are a variety of photographs available for free download and ownership, as well as for sale online? In today's video, you may now simply sell images and pictures from all around the world online to make money for yourself. Don't worry, you don't have to be an expert photographer, you don't need any skills or experience, and we are 100% sure that you can very much do this on your own. All you need is one device, and that is a computer, a phone, or a tablet. If you have any of those, then you're basically good to go, and then all you really need now is a stable internet connection and you're very much great to go. Now, our technique for today is available worldwide, therefore, no matter where you are, you may join in on today's method. So, make sure you watch the entire video from beginning to end so you don't get lost in today's method, and make sure you don't skip any important details, because if you do, you're likely to miss out on the desired results. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Now, the first thing I want you to do is go on to Google Images, and then you're gonna search some photos. Now, it could be anything like mountains, animals, or even people. Now, 100% sure that you guys know that we can't just take any of the photos and own them as our own, because then it's gonna get taken down because of copyright. So, you can actually see here where it says that the image can be subject to copyright. So, if it is subject to copyright, we can't use it. However, there is a way that you can do this, and it's called public domain. This means that there are images here that gets released to the public and they're given freedom. So we can use it however we like. Now, we're sure that you're wondering how it becomes a part of the public domain though. So there are actually three ways that this can happen. One is when the image is assigned to the public domain through a CC or Creative Commons Zero license or similar release. This can also happen when the image is not copyrightable or when the copyright for the image has expired. Now, another way or example is when the owner artist passes away, so some of the images produced by them become part of the public domain. If you come over to Wikipedia and look up Da Vinci, you'll see that his images are part of the public domain. People can do whatever they want with his images. They can reproduce them, create prints out of them, post them again, or a lot more. And to start off this method, we want you to go to Google and then search famous painters. This is gonna give you results of Van Gogh, Da Vinci, Bernini, Picasso, and a lot more, and you can actually just look through all of the results, look at all the different images that are available, and after that, we're gonna be sharing a website with you guys, and this is the website where you can get the images for free, and it all belongs to public domain. By the way, to our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so comment it down below so that we can use it for future videos. Now, let's continue. So the website that we're going to be talking about is called freeimages.com. This gives us a lot of stock photos, art, and vector images, and the greatest part about this is that they're absolutely free, and there are a lot of categories and different niches and stuff like that. If you click on the drop-down list beside the search field, you're going to see that you can actually choose between stock, vector, black and white, fine art, illustrations, and a lot more. But for today's video, as an example, we're going to choose mountains, and these results include recent images and photos that date back from like a long time ago. As you can see, a lot of these images look a bit low quality and pixelated. Now, don't worry, because we're going to show you again how you can enhance these photos so you can get even more money. We're also going to share with you a website where we can sell the images and earn the money online. So the other website that we're going to be talking about, which is another source of free images, is called Rawpixel.com. You can look up for specific artists here. Now, I want you to remember though that you have to make sure to click on the public domain so that the results that will come out are the ones that you can use however you want. just download images for free here. We're going to be showing you how to download images and also enhance them, and then you can sell them on another platform. So obviously, the better the image quality, the higher the earning potential. We're also going to be sharing a tip with you about a tip, so you can get all of that done, including the shipping and also how you can make thousands of dollars every single day. Now, we want you to go back to any of the 2 websites that we've shared with you, and let's just look up any type of event. Let's try looking up the ocean and then select the photo that you think looks the best, and then click on the download option right here. Download this in any size that you want, and as soon as you've downloaded your chosen image, let's proceed to making it better and higher quality. To be able to enhance these images, head over to photofilters.com. This is a free website that's going to help you enhance, sharpen your image to make them more beautiful. Now, this is actually very easy, and the part of the process that's going to take you less than a minute. Just click on File over here on the upper left corner of the screen, click on Open, select the image you want to edit and enhance, then it's going to open up the image you downloaded on the site itself. Then, we're only going to be clicking on 2 things. First, we're going to click on autocorrect, and as soon as you've clicked on that, you're going to see that the photo already looks a bit better, and if it doesn't look the best in your opinion, you're going to select on autocorrect too. So it really depends on your preferences. After that, click on blur or sharpen. Just drag the circle to control how much you want to sharpen the image, and it's really going to emphasize lines and strokes present in the image. If you're happy with how it looks, click on apply, and you can actually explore the website more on your own if you want to find out which combinations you like better, but for now, you can just save your image and let's move on to our next website. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, we're going to be showing you a few websites where you can sell your photos on. First, we have Redbubble. It is a print-on-demand service where you can overlay your images on all types of products like garments, posters, phone cases, stickers, and a lot more. If you come to Redbubble, you can actually type in posters and you're going to be able to see different types of posters that are being sold. If you scroll a little lower, you're going to see all of those different images on posters that people are selling on the website. You can sell your images for at least $15 to $20 or any amount that you would like really. You can sell all of your enhanced images on the website and you have a book control over pricing, so it really is up to you how you want to do it. Our second website is called Etsy.com, and it's another amazing website where small business owners can sell their products. You can find anything and everything on here, from toy car models, stickers, to craft kits, literally everything. You can also see that a lot of products here are similar to those that we've seen on Redbubble. So basically they're the same, and this is just another website where you can sell it. It's gonna add to your income, so that's what you want to do. Next, we have another one, and it's called Printful.com, and the website actually allows you to create and sell custom products online, and just like the 2 others, of course, you have to sign up and create a free account. The website is going to let you make it your own. Click on Integrations tab and you can integrate your images onto e-commerce platforms, online marketplaces, and a lot more. Basically, you can provide an image and these people can make the item for you and sell it on Etsy, Amazon, eBay, Wish, and Store Envy. They're gonna create the items for you and even ship them to your buyers, so that's amazing and such a great way to make money online. So on Printful, you're just gonna have to click on Start Selling, and that's how you're gonna start selling. Basically, just follow all of these steps because we don't want to go through that one by one anymore since you already know how to do that. So make sure you try all of those out. Do as many as you can, make as many products as you can, as many photos as you can to make the most money possible, and that is basically everything. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you will start making money. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.